Hi, welcome to today's ASMR. I apologize if you hear any music playing. The neighbors are playing music and there's planes flying overhead as well. However, this is sometimes, well, not even just sometimes, anywhere we are is always the best place, the best time. Just drop in and reconnect with our bodies through our breath. So that's what we're going to do today. So close your eyes and visualize that you are in a golden palace. You're surrounded by tall columns completely made of gold with crystals adorning the top and the bottom of the columns. The floor is completely made out of gold. Crystals rimming the borders of the floor, and far off you see a large throne. The throne is gold with pink velvet seats and has your name engraved on it. The armrests are golden tigers. You slowly walk over to the golden throne. You can feel the hardness of the gold floor underneath your feet. You can hear the padding sound of your footsteps. And as you sit onto the throne, it molds itself into your body, almost like a memory foam pillow. And as you look around you at this golden palace room, more crystals and diamonds appear from within the gold on the floor, on the ceilings, on the golden columns, and beautiful gold flowers start emerging all around you, full of this beautiful, pure fragrance. It smells like a mixture of jasmine and roses and honeysuckles and gardenias and flowers that they just have this ethereal essence to them. So take a deep breath, feel your body, feel your hips soften into your throne. Discover your breath within your body and send it to your feet. Soften, soften, soften your feet. Now the golden palace that was outside has now appeared inside of your body. It's inside your feet right now. So your feet get softer and softer. Move the palace into your ankles. So your ankles get softer and softer. Move to your calves. Feel your calves soften and expand. As your calves soften and expand, the palace appears there too. Soften, soften, soften. More diamonds appearing, both within the palace and within your body. So now we're going to move deep, deep in between your thighs. So for women, your honey energy moves differently than a men's honey energy. So for men's honey energy, you're going to feel it grow, expand, and you want to keep it to the highest point and reincorporate, have it stay within your body. Whereas for a woman, you're going to fall as deep as you can into your velvet place. Fall deeper and deeper and deeper. You discover an entirely different palace within your velvet place. door opens to another palace and to another palace. It becomes more and more expansive as you soften and you fall deeper and deeper, feeling the fragrance, seeing the crystals, the diamonds, the gold columns, the golden floor expanding right in front of you. Keep on falling to your velvet. Feel the throne, how it's molded to your body, how gorgeous and beautiful the columns are, adorned in their rhinestones and gold, all within your velvet place. This is your secret place of power, especially for women. Now we're going to move the palace up to your belly button. Soften. Move the palace up to your chest. Soften. Move the palace up to your fingers. Soften, dropping deeper. Feel the gold crystals and diamonds. Palace up to your arms. Fall deeper. Move your breath and the palace up to your shoulder blades. Fall deeper. Up to your lips. Fall deeper. Then we're going to move to your head. Feel the golden light almost bursting. As it bursts through, expands, it covers your entire body in this beautiful golden aura. There's golden rays expanding from your head, from your fingers, from your feet, all webbed around your body in a golden hue of radiance. Let your breath flow all through your body as you shimmer head to toe in this gold. Soften your feet, soften your ankles, soften your calves, soften your thighs, soften your hips, soften your pelvic place and your toes, soften your stomach, soften your chest, soften your fingers, your palms, soften your arms, soften your shoulder blades, soften your lips. Feel the softness in your body. Now imagine this golden palace become a crown on your head. Wherever you go today, keep that crown on your head and hold your head high. This palace is all around you and it's inside of you. Thank you so much for joining me in this meditation today. I hope you have a beautiful, beautiful week. Save this meditation back for whenever you need to listen to it. See you next week.